Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a series of songs. It's been a long time recorded a video. Sorry for that. I'm going to be doing a series of Loveworld songs, and I'm starting with it from You Are Great or God of the Heavens by Sophie. And I would like to also use this opportunity to thank everyone who has subscribed over the past months. And for beginners, I have good news for you as always. I have a course with a 53 videos for beginners, and it's in the playlist, so you can check it out. It's also in the description box. And without much talking, let's get into it. All right, so it's gotta I'm going to be playing it in the key of C sharp or D flat, and chord 1, I'll be using chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, 6, 7, and then 1. Alright, so it starts on the chord 6. God of the heaven. God of the heaven, my rock and fortress, you are great, oh God, you are great. Da, 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 Okay, so let's see whether we can play the intro of the song. I'm just, coining an intro out of the first verse. So it's chord 6, with a 5, chord 4, 5 to 6. You can skip it, but God of the heavens, King of all the earth. You can also skip this and play it at this time. Okay, so watch me. God of the heavens, my rock and fortress, you are great, oh God, you are great. Still chord 6. So from none compares, you play a 4, 5, and then a 6. None compares to your majesty. Then you do a chord 3, a chord 2 rather. Among the God who is like unto thee. So among the God, you play a 2, and then you play a 3 to 6. So let's do the song again. chord 4, you can do that. It gives you that effect with your legs on the sustain pedal. So let's do God of the heaven, King of all the earth, you are great, oh God. I did it before the 6. God of my righteousness. None compares, chord 4, to your majesty. 4, 5, 6. Among the God, chord 2, who is love, chord 3, then to 6. Then the last part, hallelujah. There's a chord 4. Then come back to chord 1, hallelujah. Then 2, hallelujah. 3 to 6, you are great. Hallelujah. So for beginners, you can play hallelujah like this, chord 4 to 1, then chord 2, chord 3, then 6. Okay, so you can play the 2 also like this. You are playing the 4 with the 2 on the left like this. So so thank you for watching. This is God of the Heavens, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. God bless you. Bye bye.